Okay, it's the 24th of October 2009. This is the barb connector style that I'm going to use to make the back of my Longevity 200PI a bit more adaptable. So I'm going to put a piece of hose in there and clamp it, and then my air connector for the plasma cutter will go right on that, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. I'm thinking I can use the same thing for the argon gas. Since argon is a non-combustible gas, I could just take my hose, same type of thing. I'll put a barb connector on the hose and then put a, what do they call it, this air compression style. I've got one right here. That compression style, like you would have it at a US-based gas station, see? And then I'll just put air or argon into it. I'll just pull it off and put the other one back on. That was my air dryer, by the way. So I'm getting set up, ready to test the plasma cutting capabilities of the 200PI. Alright, so it's 24 October 2009, 12:15 noonish. I've got my connector for the plasma cutting on the positive, or I'm sorry, the negative as indicated. This little hose is the connector for the air or gas outlet, air/gas outlet. I've got the pilot arc connected to the pilot arc screw there, and then I've got the torch control connector plugged in. This is the ground. So as you see, the ground over here is connected to the metal. I've got a template of a witch, it's getting to be Halloween time, drawn onto that metal. I've taken any scale off of the metal. In this case it had some galvanization on it, and you want to get that off because that stuff smells nasty and is not good for you at all to be breathing. So I've got a air cleaner slash dryer on the back, like I told you. I did set the air pressure right now for the regulator here is at 60 psi, and you can adjust it. I've set the voltage type to direct current. Pulse is off, it has no impact on it. And post flow, I'm going to turn the post flow up so that I get a chance to cool the torch after you do some cutting. And then the base current, as you'll see, I'm modulating the base current, putting that up at 50 right now just to see how we go. And then I'm going to do a quick test. It's got a nice, I really like that pilot arc feature. Anyway, I'm going to shut this off and I'll do some cutting and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so there's the witch cut out. I've got some work to do to control my slag a little more, but that's just playing with the tool. Detail's good, and I think that plasma cutter will work out. One problem I did run into, though, was that I didn't have my compressor on. I swapped with my mill, the power, and this gauge went to 25 and it wouldn't come on. I wasn't sure what was going on, and then I checked the pressure gauge, and the pressure gauge had dropped down. So I let my compressor run up, back up to pressure and run, and started cutting again. Anyway, it worked out well.